see the sheer determination of the students. It's still raining, and students, protesters who are still here. Yesterday it got extremely chaotic between both sides, the protesters and police. They got head on each other, and both sides got extremely injured. But still, the sheer determination, the sheer courage of what the students are showing you. I'll just request my camera person before we speak to the people here, just show the visuals of the sheer people who've come here at the Jantar Mantar. This is the 33rd day of the protest that is taking place, and in spite of that, in spite of heavy rain, all drenched, but still they are showing their solidarity, their support for this initiative that has been going on. आपका नाम बता दीजिए।
सर मेरा नाम अभिषेक हुआ।
अभिषेक, मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ कि and I am talking to you as an individual, right? I am saying you are here. बारिश हो रहा है। कल it got extremely chaotic. Why are you? हाँ आप हिंदी में बोलिए। आप यहाँ हो। कल इतना ज्यादा chaotic सिचुएशन देखने को मिला। बारिश में आप लोग यहाँ। आपकी क्या मांगे हैं? आप क्यों हो? आप सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के आए हो यहाँ। कल रात से शायद हो। आप क्यों हो? आपकी क्या मांगे? आपकी क्या डिमांड है?
पहले तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा, मैं दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का विद्यार्थी हूँ और मैं पार्ट टाइम में काम भी करता हूँ वहाँ पे। तो मेरी ये मांग है सरकार से कि जब कांग्रेस की सरकार थी, इस तरह की चीजें होती थी, पेपर लीक्स वगैरह होना, इसके वजह से लोगों के प्रति कांग्रेस के खिलाफ आक्रोश रहा। फिर बीजेपी का उन्होंने चुनाव करा। तो इतने समय बाद 12-14 साल बीजेपी के होने के बाद भी ऐसी घटनाएं हो रही है जिससे युवाओं में आक्रोश है। सरकार को इस चीजों पे सोचना चाहिए, विचार करनी चाहिए। बहुत लंबे समय से ये प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है, सरकार ने अपने तरफ से कुछ भी एफर्ट्स नहीं लगाए हैं।
ये आपको लगता है अभी जो आप लोग इतने दिन से प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हो, इट इज गोइंग टूवर्ड्स द राइट डायरेक्शन? फाइनली आप देख रहे हो कि सरकार सुन रही है, मीटिंग किया, कल मीटिंग की गई, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको लगता है जो आपके इतने दिन के एफर्ट्स है वो फाइनली कोई इम्प्लीमेंटेशन या कुछ पॉजिटिव दिख रहा है? कोई उम्मीद है?
नहीं, सरकार के पास तो हमारी बातें पहुंच रही है, लेकिन मोदी सरकार ऐसी सरकार है जो हमारी मांगे को पूरा करने के लिए रेडी नहीं है। बस चीजें उनके पास पहुंच रही है, लेकिन वो कोई एक्शन नहीं ले रहे हैं। प्रोटेस्ट जो कर रहे हैं वो करने दो, उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। पुलिस लाठीचार्ज करती है अपने डिमांड को रखने जब जाते हैं संसद। तो इतने समय से यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा था, लेकिन कभी कोई बीजेपी या जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के लीडर हैं नहीं आए। जब स्टूडेंट्स ने कुछ किया कि हम मार्च करेंगे पार्लियामेंट की तरफ, संसद की तरफ, तब वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ लाठीचार्ज होती है। ये बहुत गलत है।
वहाँ जब लाठीचार्ज हुआ था,
कल मैं नहीं था वहाँ पे, मैं दिल्ली में ही था, बट मैं कल उस दिन 20 तारीख को यहाँ पे नहीं आया था।
You know, you have your people's demands here. आपका नाम बताइए।
मेरा नाम सिद्धार्थ भारद्वाज है।
Siddharth, the question goes for you as well. Yes. You know, you've come here to protest. Yes. You are here. It's raining heavily, yes, but still, it shows the determination of all the people, all the youth, all the students who've come here to protest. And I am not talking to you as a group or कि नहीं देश की ये सवाल है. As an individual, as a youth, what are you demanding? What are you hoping that there should be a change? What are you?
So there are many demands that are happening right now. The first demand is the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. The second resignation that is coming up is for Amit Shah, that opposition party has already done. I also want that, because no one can charge lathi on students. No one can charge lathi on youth. No one. We are the next generation, right? We are not someone who is just here for the fun. We are here to have accountability. We are paying tax, right? Tax अगर दे रहे हैं, then we need accountability. If it is free, then accountability लेने के लिए भी हमारी भी थोड़ी सी क्षमता कम हो जाएगी। बट हम पैसे भी भरें, फिर हमारे ही पे वो भी हो, रीटेस्ट भी हम ही झेलें। रीटेस्ट आप थोड़ी देने जा रहे हो।
But do you feel that it is your determination or the protest that this is the 33rd day, right? And you see that it is going in the right direction, because now after so many days, there was a meeting that happened where Saurav Das, Ashutosh met with JP Nadda, and do you see that? Even though I'm not saying it's early or late, even though you feel that if it is late, then you see that your protest, that hope is still there and it is going to the right direction, that they are being forced to listen or they are actually listening?
The direction is right from our side, not their side. Let me be very clear. If you go there, yesterday there was a speech. They told that 4 hours, they were just sitting there for first 2 hours. No one was coming to us. Our phones were taken. We were not allowed to go out. Is this how we? Is this
Then
how
you
the
know,
youth
I'll tell you,
feel?
I'll just cut you in here.
Yes.
So when you see the picture, there was a picture posted. You get to see that there was phones with both of the spokespersons. They still had phones. I understand if they've been made to wait. That's fine, but they had their phones.
Yes.
In the picture also, if you see that the phones
yeah,
were
I
there.
saw it,
But
I saw
the fact that when you see now. The central leadership is going and meeting Sonam Wangchuk because Sonam Wangchuk had their own demands that I want the leaders to meet, and they had their own demands that Dharmendra Pradhan obviously is at the center of the fact that he should be resigned. There should be a resignation. Do you see? And what you need is accountability, right? Do you see that it is going towards the accountability, even though अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, obviously, but do you think that it's a process that has started?
Yes, the process has started, but it's too slow. It has been. This is the 33rd day, right? You just said that, right? I have come here 3 times because I am also working. I was a student. Everyone understand that. No one can come here 33 days, but lot of people here are coming for 33 days. Do you think this time that they have allotted here is going waste? No, right? This is for the future of the youth. So the time period that we are spending is very high also, but low also. It comes to both because the future is looking bright, but right now it is the darkest time. The death of democracy we are talking about, because no one is taking accountability. Everyone is going. People are doing lathi charge. Someone is taking Sonam Wangchuk without its consent, manipulating the potassium. Everything is coming together, going in the right direction, but it is too slow. It needs to be faster. 33 days of protest is not a small protest. So this is what I would like to say.
And lastly, I wanted to ask you that there is another controversial video that was surfacing yesterday about the spokesperson of Cockroach Janata Party. The fact that when many students, protesters, they were there protesting, there was one of the spokesperson who was seen eating a burger. He was not at the protest. So do you feel, Vijeta Daya was there. So do you think that somewhere down the line, the one who is initiating this, they should be there? Even though, yes, he has been sacked, but do you feel the fact that there should be something called lead by example? You know, if you are orchestrating it and then you're saying that it's not a job, it's naukri nahi hai, why should I be there? Because since you're a youth, you are asking questions to the government also. How are you holding, or what do you want to tell the spokesperson even though yes, he has been sacked, but again, what do you want to say about the fact that happened?
I'm very angry about this. He was the one who was always telling a lead by example, right? We have heard a lot of speeches from him. A lot of people have been talking to him. He's the spokesperson of a protest that is very huge. This is the largest protest in India after a long time. And I'm very angry with him. But the best part is, I was thinking that he will not be held accountable. But they said, we are removing him from the spokespersonship. And he was making fun of that also. But at last, accountability was taken. He is no longer here. He was sacked. So, if this can be happening so fast, right, the same question goes back to the government, why it is not happening. And I know the reason why it is not happening also. But I would not like to say it publicly because I know they will come after me. This is the part of democracy that we are living in, that I am scared that they will come after me. They will go after my family. They will go after everyone. I know. So this is the part.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. So when we speak to the people here who have been protesting, they have their demands, they have their own freedom to be here. And even though we've been seeing that it is heavily raining, we are all ourselves drenched at the rain, but still, in spite of the rains that is pouring in the national capital, you could see the people, the protesters who have been here, who have been protesting, and that is what we are trying to show you. This is what we are trying to speak, the fact that what it looks like from our television screen, what it looks here, and this is the, you see this, and this is an on-ground picture. This is a real picture of what we are trying to show you from our camera, from our end. This is our report. This is me, Brian Thomas, signing off with camera person Deepak for NewsX Delhi.